Attention, this is a time-sensitive offer. Act fast. Hey, if you're seeing this right now, consider yourself really lucky, because what you're about to discover can genuinely change the way you build your online business starting today. That's right, we're giving away access to an epic free traffic system that can help you grow a real audience, build your list, and generate commissions, even while you sleep. This is a limited time opportunity, so stay with me. We've built a new beginner-friendly system designed to help you build a massive email list, plug into automated traffic streams, generate passive commissions from multiple programs, and do it without needing prior experience, tech skills, or paid ads. This is the type of automation top marketers use, but without the huge learning curve or expensive software. Ordinary people, complete beginners, are already using systems like this to create steady online income streams. Of course, results vary, and nothing online is magic, but when you follow the steps, the system does a lot of the heavy lifting for you. And here's the wild part. For a short time, you can access the entire system for free. No tricks, no hidden fees. Just a straightforward setup that lets you start driving traffic and collecting leads right away. When you activate your free account, you can unlock powerful traffic tools, capture leads instantly, promote multiple income programs at once, and activate automated commission funnels. This is everything you need to start building a real digital asset, your email list. Take action right now. Join Team Freedom, ACT. Now get your free system. Build your list, drive traffic, earn commissions. Click the button below.